In today's fast-paced world, who wouldn't want an additional income stream? Better yet, imagine that income flowing in consistently without demanding your constant attention. Onpassive is not just another company, it's a movement revolutionizing the way people earn. We're talking about a platform powered by artificial intelligence, designed to provide you with the tools and resources needed to build a thriving online business. Think of it as your very own digital empire, working tirelessly 24/7 to generate income, even while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. Let's explore how Onpassive can make this dream a reality. But first, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Imagine waking up to find your bank account a little fuller than the day before, all thanks to the work you put in once, but continues to generate income. Unlike a traditional job where your income is directly tied to the hours you put in, passive income allows you to earn money even while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying life. It's about creating a system that generates revenue without requiring your constant involvement. Think of it like planting a seed that grows into a tree, bearing fruit year after year with minimal upkeep. With Onpassive, building a passive income stream becomes more accessible than ever before. The platform empowers you with the tools and resources to create a sustainable online business that generates income on autopilot. Ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom with Onpassive? Getting started is easier than you might think. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign up and choose your plan. Visit the Onpassive website and select the membership plan that aligns with your goals and budget. Each plan comes with a suite of powerful tools and resources to help you succeed. Step 2. Set up your profile. Complete your profile, providing accurate and detailed information. This allows Onpassive's intelligent system to match you with the right opportunities and connect you with potential customers. Step 3, activate your products and services. Onpassive offers a wide range of digital products and services. Choose those that resonate with you and activate them to start generating income. By following these steps and leveraging the power of the Onpassive platform, you'll be well on your way to building a sustainable and profitable online business. The allure of passive income extends far beyond just having more money. It's about achieving a level of freedom and flexibility that traditional employment often can't provide. Let's explore some of the life-changing benefits that come with building a passive income stream. Imagine not being tied to a paycheck, having the financial security to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy life on your terms. Time is our most valuable asset. With passive income, you're no longer trading your time for money. Financial worries are a major source of stress for many people. Passive income provides a safety net, reducing financial anxiety and allowing you to live a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Unlike a traditional job with a fixed salary, passive income offers unlimited earning potential. These are just a few of the many benefits that come with building passive income. It's about taking control of your financial future and designing a life you love. Building a successful passive income stream with Onpassive doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, dedication, and a willingness to learn and grow. Here are some practical tips to help you stay consistent and maximize your earning potential. Start with achievable goals and gradually increase them as your business grows. The online world is constantly evolving. Make it a habit to stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and Onpassive's latest features and offerings. Onpassive has a vibrant community of experienced members. Don't hesitate to ask for help, participate in forums, and attend webinars to learn from the best. Regularly monitor your progress, analyze your results, and make adjustments to your strategies as needed. Remember, consistency is the key to unlocking the full potential of passive income with Onpassive. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Onpassive provides the vehicle, the roadmap, and the support system to help you reach your destination. It's time to break free from the limitations of traditional employment and embrace a future where you are in control of your time and finances. Imagine A life where you wake up excited to work on your own terms, where financial worries are a thing of the past, and where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without limitations. This is the promise of Onpassive. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building a sustainable income stream that works for you, even while you're not working. The opportunity is here. The tools are at your fingertips. The time to act is now. Take that first step towards financial freedom with Onpassive and unlock your true earning potential. The future is yours to create. For more information about Onpassive and how you too can earn passive income, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.